Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So we have invested in a shark. Yeah, I was going to say shark, but it's a Shark handheld vacuum for like
Cordless.
Yeah, the cordless one for the stairs and sofas, etc. We really needed it. We have been sort of like going around with the Hoover, which is a bit plonky for us really and heavy, but with having dogs in the house and everything, we really need it for the stairs and for ease and everything. So we're just about to open it. I'll show you what it looks like and we'll do the big reveal and we'll do a review. So we got this from Amazon. So we were having a look we had a look on QVC. It was 179.
Yeah.
We had a look on our Shark. Yeah, it was 179, wasn't it, I think?
Yeah.
We had a look on Amazon and it was 129, I think, wasn't it?
It might be 139.
I think it was 129, but it was cheaper anyway. So good.
About £40.
Yeah, good old Amazon. So if you do fancy having a look at, or if you're in need at a new handheld and you kind of want to go, what we're trying to do at the moment really, especially with household items, is to buy the very best that we can afford so that you don't get that false, oh, you know, it's going to last for 2 years. We want something more of like a workhorse, I guess. Yes, I will pop the link down below in the description box where it says more. Just click on that and it'll take you directly to my Amazon link.
Yeah, we'll also put a review on there on what we thought of it.
Yeah, well, I'll film the review anyway. So here we go, guys. This is the one that we went for. So it's the Shark Wand Vac, a 2.0. You get this one, I think, gives you the highest amount of run time, which was 15 minutes. The others were sort of, one was 10, I think one was 8 minutes, something like that. This one gave us 15. It's also kind of got the little paw print there, so ideal if you've got pets as well. So we went for this one, and I believe the charge time is about 3.5 hours. But you know, we wouldn't do sofas, stairs, car all in one day, so we would just do one and then pop it on charge, and maybe the next day do the other pieces. So here we go. I'm going to take it out the box then. So you've got your instruction leaflet here, and you've got all your little tools and little crevice tools, etc. Okay, so that's your little brushy bit there, look, for when you use it on your box. And we will probably keep this sort of charged in the kitchen, to be honest. If there's any sort of spillages, like the odd bit of coffee or sugar or something, it's easy to just whip up and to, you know, vacuum up. That's your little station there, look, guys, for your bits and your bobs. And now for the big reveal. It's very well packaged, isn't it?
Yeah.
Obviously, it just gets plugged in. That's the charging station there. Probably has little sticky feet, does it, or something?
No, it doesn't.
I think it's the lead actually underneath. It's like.
It's not. It's the weight.
Really, is it?
Yeah.
Well, that's not very good. So this is why we do these reviews, because. Does that not fit through that little gappy bit there?
Yeah.
Like on a kettle. Oh, okay. And it's
very good.
That's not very good, is it? The weight. I wonder if we're doing something wrong.
No,
Can't be,
we're not
can
doing
we?
something wrong. That's how it's been made.
Well, that's not a very good idea, that.
No.
That it... I mean, on the box and everything, it's stood. It's not leaning. I wonder if it was that. That can make a difference. If you pushed it in a bit more of you, that wire. No, it doesn't.
Ah, yeah.
Does it? Does that go on there then?
Yes, that goes.
Okay. If we had looked at the instructions, like you're supposed to,
Yeah.
we probably would have discovered that, you know.
Right.
There you go, look, there's things in here, look, it tells you what
Yeah.
things there. Right, our fault, guys, we take it back. It was like we were too much of an eager beaver. So that clips onto that, all the tools, they clip onto that, and then,
No.
and there we go. It's like a bit of a baseball bat to look at, but there we go, there. Shark, we take it back.
Look, we take it back.
So there we are, look guys, so it actually goes, all fits into there, so everything is...
We'll get the wire clipped in the bottom.
Yeah, so it's got to put the wire in, clip it in properly, and it will stay in place. So we're going to get it plugged in, and then when we kind of give it a go, I'll come back. Right, so we have completely sussed it, it's all fine now. Right, little quick demo. Go on then. It's got a really nice little suction to it. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're going to charge, how much charge has it got on it?
I don't know, it doesn't say.
Let's have a look. Instructions. Right, here we go. Yes, it does. It tells you here. So, in use, you get a solid blue light, solid blue. Low battery.
No battery is white.
Low battery is that one here. The sunshine. No, it's that one.
No, that's the power boost.
Oh, is it? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so low battery, right. Charging,
It's
it
low
fades
battery.
in and out like
Yeah.
it's doing now. And when it's dim, just like that, it's charged.
Yeah.
Right, so
Yeah,
it needs
but
charging.
It is charging.
Right, so we've popped it here. So this is probably where it's going to live, to be honest, because it's easily accessible, you know, there. So, yeah, that's going to be it for now until we use it properly. Guys, so this is what's come out of the stairs. Look at all that little bit. That's all up the stairs today. Wow.
Yep.
That's fabulous.